Every company needs a person who performs the simplest but necessary tasks such as running errands that makes the delivery of documents. Office boy are tired or bored by doing unnecessary tasks asked by their boss, and it is a waste of manpower in the company too. Solution of problem: replace Office Boy with AGV. The Office Boy robot is made up of two main sensor, which is encoder and ultrasonic sensor and many more. Product testing phase. When forward command is pressed, the robot will move from point A to point B. Reached at point B. When back command is pressed, the robot will move from point B back to point A. Reached point A. Actual application of Office Boy robot. The boss is sending document by using the robot. If the robot sends any obstacle ahead, it will stop. The robot continue its operation if the obstacle is cleared. Employee exchange document with boss. The document sent to boss. Thank you for watching.